Hey everyone, and welcome back. Welcome if you're new to the channel. Today I'm sharing with you a morning in my life as a single mom. We're on school vacation right now, and myself and my daughter were getting ready to go out on a little snow tubing adventure when I filmed this. So I thought I would share a peek into our morning routine, getting us both ready to head out the door for some adventures. And since my daughter did not have to go to school, I did not wake up before her this morning. She kind of was my alarm clock, and we woke up together. So first and foremost, making myself some coffee, making her some breakfast this morning. A very, very typical breakfast of ours is avocado toast. And so I sliced up some fresh strawberries, gave those to her first, and also made her some avocado toast on some sourdough bread. Top it with a little bit of lemon juice and Trader Joe's everything but the bagel seasoning, and allowed her to munch on that prior to getting ready. Next up, I went ahead and did Sydney's hair before finishing getting myself ready. Typically, I would say, moms, get yourselves ready prior to your kids, but do as I say, not as I do. All I had to do was put Sydney's hair in a low braid because she had already gotten herself dressed. I laid out her clothes the night before, and so all she did was get dressed, and I had to just quickly do her hair. I am using the Not Your Mother's kids curly hair like leave-in conditioner spray, and I have been absolutely loving it for Sydney's hair texture. I've been getting asked questions on what I use in Sydney's hair. Still playing around with product, but I am really liking that for the daily styling. You know, it just makes it easy to brush her hair and get through those tangles. Like I said, we were heading out the door to go snow tubing, and so I had to pack all of our snow gear and warm items. So I packed Sydney's snow pants, hats, mittens, gloves, same for myself, and also packed lots of hand warmers and toe warmers. I am such an over preparer. I like to make sure that I have everything for every occasion, extra change of clothes just in case. I don't know. It's just, I don't know if you call it an overpacker, over preparer, but I like to not be stuck somewhere and need something and wish I had it. Are you guys like that, or are you the opposite and a minimal packer? Next, I went ahead and got myself ready, just slapped on just a little bit of makeup. We were snow tubing. I didn't have to be fancy or anything like that, but I did want to get myself just a little bit put together. Watching this footage back, and I am noticing how flat the back of my hair was. It was giving me problems this day, but I had no idea that it must have been because I slept weird on it while it was slightly wet last night. Anyway, we're gonna ignore that and move on. So I knew we were going to be driving during lunch and snow tubing from like 12 to 2, so it was just kind of a weird time. So I always like to prepare, like I said, and pack a lunch for Sydney or snacks whenever we're on the go. That way, you know, I'm not having to always, you know, pull over, buy some fast food, or, you know, have her just be starving, and that way we can enjoy our time. So I was packing her some lunch in a lunchbox as well as water. So in her lunchbox, we have a couple of rolls of ham, some carrots, golden kiwi, cashews, and then I packed a granola bar as well. I knew we were going to eat at about 3 o'clock after we were done snow tubing, so just something light to hold her over while we were in the car. And ever since Christmas, Sydney received the Yoto Mini for Christmas, and she got a bunch of new cards for her birthday, and she's been absolutely loving it. Essentially, it's like an audio book that she listens to. She's been loving the Jungle Book as well as her Junie B. Jones card that she has, and so I went ahead and packed that. It was about an hour-long drive and tried to stay away from some screen time, and because she's been enjoying that so much, I usually will pack that, and then she has a to-go art case where it's markers and crayons or markers and paper, but she decided just to do the audiobooks this time. So I went ahead and packed that, got us ready to head out the door. And then we went snow tubing with friends and had an absolute blast trying to get ourselves, entertained throughout this school vacation. While we can meet up with some friends, go to the library, go ice skating, and do all the fun things. The lack of natural snow that we have is kind of wild. At the end of February, it's just we've had hardly any real snow this year, so it was really nice to get out the door and be able to kind of do some winter activities and keep us entertained. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little peek into our morning routine, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.